Independence Day, all of you. Happy Independence Day, all of you.
Welcome to Danish Academy. Happy Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As good morning to all. Myself Mohammad Aslan. I am from 6th standard. As we know, we gathered here to celebrate our 77th independence. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. What is the history behind it? Well, on 15th August in 1947, we get freedom, we get independence from British. Pre-independence means before 1947, we don't have our own rights, we don't have fundamental rights. We all are under the British. Nowadays, we all are independent. So we have to celebrate this day with happily and joyfully, because on this day we get independent. So this day is the great for all of us. Why we celebrate this day? Because this day is the reminder the importance of independence and the sacrifices of the great freedom fighters. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Rajpat Rai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and so many great freedom fighters. They do many efforts, sacrifices, as well as they devoted their whole life for give us independence. Great freedom fighters such as Bhagat Singh and so many, they devoted their life within an early age. So we have to thankful to them that they give us the independence and the peace, land of peace. So nowadays we can enjoy our whole life. We can live independently. We can sleep whole night. We can get education. So we always have to be a independence. Nowadays, education play an important role in our life. If we want to be an independent person, so first we have to get an education, and nowadays we can get education easily. So we have to be an educated person, and as we know, we live independently. We don't know the value of independence, because you, me, and all of us, we get independence freely. We don't have to do any sacrifices, efforts, and we don't have to do efforts for independence. We all are get independence free. But the real value of independence and the real importance of importance of independence know the great freedom fighters, because first they do efforts and then after that they get independent. So we have to be an independent person. Independent person not to be said that I am independent, but the real means of independence, a person who never depend on other. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Muhammad Ibad Afsar Muhammad from 6th standard. The Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15 August annually. It is national. Good morning. Myself Muhammad Ibad Afsar Muhammad from 6th standard. The Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15 August annually. It is a national festival of India. It is a special day for every citizen of India. India got freedom on 15 August 1947. The day reminds us of the great freedom fighter of India. Their life is worth inspiration for us. We should never forget the moral values of Independence Day of India. Thank you.
बता क्या पूछता है मुल्क में किसका गुजारा है, मेरी नज़रों में देखो मुल्क का दिलकश नज़ारा है, मेरे हाथों की रेखाओं में नक्शे हिंद सारा है, लहू के आखिरी कतरे में हिंदुस्तान पुकारा है, मेरा दिल है, मेरी जान है, मेरी आँखों का तारा है। ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। ये हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। हमारे मुल्क में हिंदू मुसलमान साथ रहते हैं। यहाँ ईसाई के कांधों पे सिख के हाथ रहते हैं। हमारे मुल्क में हिंदू मुसलमान साथ रहते हैं। यहाँ ईसाई के कांधों पे सिख के हाथ रहते हैं। हमारी सरहदों पे नौजवान दिन रात रहते हैं। वो आपस की हिफाजत के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। अस्सलाम।
महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। आज़ादी हमारी है, हमेशा रहेंगी। महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। आज़ादी हमारी है, हमेशा रहेंगी। पावंदरा पर गांधी जी आए, पावंदरा पर गांधी जी आए। मगर दुश्मनों से नहीं सर झुकाए, मगर दुश्मनों से नहीं सर झुकाए। निकलते जिधर से लगाते थे नारा, निकलते जिधर से लगाते थे नारा। अंग्रेज भागो भारत हमारा, अंग्रेज भागो भारत हमारा। महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। महक उठा ये गुलशन, चमन खिल रहा है। आज़ादी हमारी है, हमेशा रहेंगी। आज़ादी हमारी है, हमेशा रहेंगी।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. Myself Mohammad Jamaluddin Haris, son of Mohammad Izwan Haris. I study in 6th standard. As you all know that today is 15th August. On this day, in 1947, we got independence from British. So you know what is the history behind it? There are so many sacrifices of our Indian people, Indian soldiers and Indian people. And before 1947, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh are called all India. So let's start what is the history of independence of our India. Firstly, the British come to India only for trading. But eventually, the British East India Company becomes the major force of India. And that is the beginning of British rule known as British Raj in India. Under the British rule, they are deprived of basic needs socially and economically, and legally discriminated against, mistreated, misbehaved and tortured. India's first war of independence was a revolt of Indian soldiers, rulers and peasants. The rebellion by Indian troops of British Raj started in May 1857 and continued until December 1858. During the First World War, India gave support to the United Kingdom. About 1.3 Indian soldiers, about 1.3 million Indian soldiers went to many parts of Africa, Europe, Middle East to fight. Gandhiji returned from South Africa to India in 1915. Under the leadership of Gandhi, Indians began to use different methods to get the freedom over the next few years. Many Indians did not believe in such peaceful protests, they think that claiming the British would not give independence so easily. An armed struggle was necessary to oust the independence from British. During the Second World War, British Raj declared to be a party of World War II without discussing matter with Indian people leaders. This created a lot of dissatisfaction among Indian peoples. And two big movements. First is the Indian National Army of Subhash Chandra Bose, and the second one is the Quiet Movement of Mohandas Gandhi. Both of these movements and both of these leaders and their movement shook the British Empire. As a result of so many sacrifices of our Indian soldiers, Indian people, our great freedom fighter, on midnight in 1947, British handed India its political independence. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tahir Altamash. Today is 15 August. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 77 Independence Day. India got independence from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Our great freedom fighters devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. So it is our responsibility to... Good morning everyone, my name is Tahir Altamash. Today is 15 August. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 77 Independence Day. India got independence from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Our great freedom fighters devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. So it is our responsibility to preserve and respect our freedom. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Hania Fatima from 7th standard. Today is 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. We got independence on 15 August 1947. We remember our freedom fighter on this day. We hoist our national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. Myself Mohammad Taha from 3rd standard. Today I am going to speak a few words about Independence Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Friend, as we all know that 15 August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable President, teacher and all dignitaries. Myself Muhammad Asad Ghaus Muhammad. I wish you happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 77 Independence Day. As Amrut Mahotsav, many Indians like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad fought for breaking India free from British government. Finally we got freedom. 15 August 1947.